This is how to create a progress chart to show goals, actual, and remaining. First, let's get started with entering our month. We'll say month 1, and then you can drag this down and it will automatically do month 1 through 12. The amount saved would be manual, so go ahead and enter in your actuals. Then we're going to go up to the top, and in the actual, we want to do a sum of all of those totals, so equals sum, and select that column. We don't need it to autofill. Goal is going to be manual, whatever you need to have as the goal total. And then remaining is going to be subtracting those. I made a mistake here. That definitely needs to be a minus. Looks good. Now we're doing a percent to total, so you can see how far along you are. So you're going to divide actual by goal and then divide remaining by goal. Now we have all of our information, so let's select the information up top and then go to Insert Chart. And by default, you're going to get a bar chart or column chart. Let's change it to a donut. And I'm going to just move this and resize it a little bit so it's easier to see. And then close out of this. Let's turn the blue green, so the actual saved is going to be green. You can make that whatever color you'd like. And we'll keep remaining red. Now let's add the inputs at the bottom of the chart, and every month your chart is going to update to show your progress to your goal.